with only a handful of crashes throughout the years. The F-35 boasts one of the best safety records among fighter jets. Crashes involving military aircraft are not all that common, and have steadily decreased over the past few decades. This is particularly true for one of the most advanced fighter jets, the F-35. The F-35 is the most advanced fighter available today. It is flown by the United States and its allies including Israel, Italy, Norway, Australia, Japan, South Korea, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom. Although it is highly advanced, it has been involved in a fair few crashes. Crashes. Since the F-35 began flying 17 years ago, it has amassed over 721,000 cumulative flight hours. Furthermore, more than 965 F-35s have been delivered, with over 430,000 sorties completed. However, there have been 29 F-35 crashes throughout the years. According to the Aviation Safety Network, the first crash occurred in February 2013, and the most recent occurred in September of this year when the pilot ejected from the aircraft. The military temporarily lost the aircraft near Charleston, South Carolina. The same variant that crashed in September, an F-35B, also crashed in 2018 near South Carolina. In total, there were fewer than 10 confirmed destroyed F-35s with one pilot fatality. Given that the plane has flown for almost 20 years, that is a fantastic safety record. About the F-35. The F-35 program began in 2006 and began service 17 years ago. Today, 13 nations have ordered the F-35, and 9 operate it. The aircraft, which Lockheed Martin develops, has 3 different variants, F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, each costing around $100 million. The F-35A is designed for conventional takeoff and landing. In contrast, the F-35B is designed for short takeoffs and vertical landings, but has a reduced fuel capacity compared to the F-35A. And the F-35C is tailored for catapult-assisted takeoffs and arrested recovery for operations aboard an aircraft carrier. That being said, specific versions of the F-35 meet the requirements of other air forces, such as Canada and Israel. The F-35 program is on track to cost a staggering $1.7 trillion over the plane's lifetime, making it the most expensive fighter jet in history. The F-35 was developed by Lockheed Martin on request from the U.S. military to be a jack of all trades. The military planned for the F-35 to serve in all branches and do different jobs for the Navy, Marines, and Air Force. For any United States ally willing to shell out hundreds of millions of dollars on its military aircraft, the F-35 is the perfect choice. It is the most advanced fighter jet and features cutting-edge technology. The F-35 has been called a stealth fighter because of its ability to avoid detection by enemies. Some advanced features include communicating with the rest of the military, such as sharing its operational pictures with other military assets in the air, on the ground, or the sea. The Lockheed Martin promotional video showcases the aircraft relaying information to the ground and satellites. Even with this advanced technology, there has been a lot of criticism of the F-35 program, as it has been the U.S. government's most expensive weapons project. But the U.S. government is essentially stuck with the program as so much has already been invested into it. Problems throughout the program. From the conceptual level, there have been problems with the F-35. The ethos behind the aircraft was to build a single plane to be used on multiple types of missions, and by other countries, they attempted to create the best of both worlds, combining a small, nimble fighter jet and a long-range aircraft. When an aircraft is designed to fit multiple categories, the manufacturer must make design trade-offs so that the plane can do everything. Although the aircraft can be used on various missions, it cannot do anything well. As such, the F-35 has never reached its full capability and has continued to undergo updates, such as a new engine. The program is estimated to be $183 billion over original cost estimates and over a decade behind schedule. Also, the F-35s cannot fly that often due to issues with spare parts, repairs, and reliance on contractors, which lead to frequent grounding of the type. Pilots who fly the F-35 have stated that they are impressed with the plane's capabilities.